Hi. Since Power BI reports often contain multiple pages, it is useful to create a navigation menu that allows users to move between pages easily. In this video, we'll explore how to build an effective navigation menu in Power BI. We'll start with this simple example. In the model view, you can see that we have imported and connected 4 tables in the semantic model: transactions, partners, sales representatives, and items. We've also created measures to calculate revenue, gross margin, and share. Additionally, we have created a report that contains 3 pages: P1, P2, and P3. We could publish this report to the Power BI service as it is, but it would be much better to add a navigation menu. In earlier versions, this was done by adding buttons manually. Each button had to be labeled and assigned a link to a specific report page. Today, the process is much simpler. In the Insert ribbon, under Buttons, Navigator, you can quickly create a navigation menu for report pages or bookmarks. Let's create one navigation menu. Next, let's move the navigation menu into the appropriate position. We can also format the menu to make it more visually appealing. Now the menu is ready, and we can copy it to the header of all pages in the report. As you can see, the navigation is now much easier. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for your time and have a great day.